guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess if you're new, and today we're going to be doing a crochet spring twist video. Yes, I said crochet instead of crochet because on the last video I mispronounced it and there were a whole bunch of Akila and the bees out there that try to correct me. So we are using Beyond Beauty hair in the color T1B30. So right now I'm just parting my hair in the front, and we're just going to be working on the front of my hair because I don't want you guys to just watch me do my whole head because it becomes real repetitive and boring. So I'm just sectioning off my hair, putting the hair that I'm not working on right now to the side in a hair tie, and the parts that I'm making to make a twist are about like a medium size, I would say, and I'm just going to braid it down. So I'm just going to be braiding my hair because I cannot cornrow to save my life. That skill skipped me apparently. So I'm going to just braid the front of my hair, and then once I get done one braid, I'm going to basically twirl the braid around my fingers so the ends are tightly coiled. And then I'm going to just continue to work on braiding the front of my hair up. Alright, so I finished braiding up my hair, and I did do the back of my hair already because, like I said, I didn't want you guys to just sit through that boring part of me doing my entire head because I pretty much did that in the last video, and you guys, I'm sure you didn't watch that whole part because it did get boring. So now I'm just spreading out one strand of fake hair, and for this particular tutorial I'm just going to be using one whole strand of fake hair. I'm not going to be splitting it up into like 3 different parts or anything like that. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing right now. I opened the lash hook, hooked the hair onto there, closed the latch, pulled it through, opened that little loop, pulled my hair and the fake hair through, pull the fake hair tight or taut, and then I'm going to twist that fake hair around my real hair. And right here I'm doing it as you would do like a regular braid. I'm just braiding down my hair while also spreading out the fake hair so it better like cover my real hair up. And I'm just going to continue to twist that up once I run out of my real hair to twist. And I'm gonna twist all the way to the bottom. And how you know you're twisting it in the right direction, you want to twist the hair to the left and not the right. And the twist should look like this. If you're twisting it to the right, it's gonna look more springy. It's gonna spring up more. So this is how the twist should look like. I'm spreading the hair. Insert that crochet needle, open the hook, close the latch, pull the hair through, open that loop up, pull the fake hair and your real hair through, and then once you do that, you're going to pull the fake hair real tight, and then you're going to begin twisting. So I did twist it 2 different ways. This way is different than the first one that I showed you guys. So this one, I'm basically braiding it in the opposite direction because I want to better cover my hair up. So as you can see, like I said, I'm doing this in the backwards direction as you would do like a regular braid, because I found out that this does cover your hair up better. And once I finish like twisting this up, you'll see at the end that it did end up looking like the rest. It's just a better way to basically cover your real hair. That's really all it is. And it does give you more dimension in your hair so that all the twists don't look the same. You may not like that, but I do like that for me. I just think it looks more so realistic in that way. And I just love how it turns out. All right, so as you can see, this is how it turned out. It's a little different than the last twist. So I basically did the remainder of my hair because, like I said, y'all don't need to watch the whole process because it does get boring, honestly. So now this part is pretty much not sped up, it's in real time. So if anyone is out there that's like a beginner, I slowed it down for you guys just so you can see what I'm doing in real time, because I realized that not everyone knows how to crochet their hair, and some people just need you to just slow it down just a little bit. So as I got towards the like very last pieces of my hair, what I found that worked best for me and gave me the best twist is just to just braid my hair basically with the fake hair. So I'm just going to continue to twist that all the way down for you guys. You can see right there I caught my real hair sticking out, so I twisted that back up. So just gonna twist all the way to the ends. All right, so now we have finished twisting up our entire head, and I really love how they came out, guys. It honestly looks better than the last time to me. So I'm going to just cut off these scraggly little ends so the ends can just look more put together, and I'm going to cut off all the ends around my entire head. So now I'm going to be using some Style Factor edge control to lay down my baby hairs. And I'm not the best at laying down my baby hairs, but I can do a little something to them. Whereas though they can lay down a little bit, they're gonna honestly probably curl back up before I finish even doing my makeup. I'm sure they did curl back up actually. But look at that. Look at that lay. Slade. You better. Sorry, y'all. I'm just watching myself play back, laying down my baby hairs. And honestly, I did a great job. I feel really confident in these baby hairs. Like, I'm doing that. Yeah, I'm learning. That looks amazing. All right, I'll stop talking. And then wait till I finish drawing my baby hairs. All right, so we have come to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to let you guys enjoy this slow-mo.